Every year, millions of Indians pay income tax, but many people have questions. Who pays income tax? Do farmers pay tax? What is new tax regime? What is Section 87A rebate? Why is everyone talking about 12 lakh and 12.75 lakh tax free income? What is marginal relief? So today I will explain the complete Indian income tax system in simple language with the practical examples. So keep listen until this video end, you can get some information. And who are new to this channel, so please subscribe this channel for more shorts and videos. And let's go to the topic. And what is income tax? So income tax is a tax collected by the government on income earned by people and business. The government uses tax revenue for roads, railways, defense, education, healthcare, infrastructure, etc. And who pays income tax? So first, individuals, examples, employees, business owners, doctors, engineers, freelancers, traders, etc. And second, HUF. So HUF means Hindu Undivided Family. A joint Hindu family can be treated as a separate taxpayer. And third, firms, example, partnership firms, and second, LLPs. And fourth, finally, companies, examples, private companies, publicly listed companies. They pay corporate tax on profits. And many people get confused here. So farmers also pay tax. So do farmers pay tax? That question, yeah, this is a common misconception. So agriculture income from farming activities is generally exempt from central income tax. Examples are growing crops, selling own agriculture produce. So however, if a farmer earns salary, rent, business income, so those incomes may still be taxable according to the rules. And now we have to discuss about a financial year versus assessment year. So financial year means period in which income is earned. Example, 2025-26, April 1st 2025 to March 31st 2026. That is we called financial year. And assessment year, a year in which tax returns is filed. Example, 2026 to 2027. So that is we called assessment year. And mainly we have to talk about a new tax regime. So the new tax regime is a default tax regime, slabs for financial year 2025 to 2026 and assessment year 2026 and 2027. So taxable income and tax rate. So we have to discuss. So up to 4 lakhs tax rate nil, and who are getting 4 to 8 lakhs per annum, so tax rate 5%, and 8 to 12 lakhs 10% tax rate, and 12 to 16% 15%, and 16 to 20 lakh who are getting salary a tax rate 20%, and who are getting 20 to 24 lakhs tax rate 25%, above 24 lakhs 30% tax rate. So you can see in the image also, you can get a more clarity so how tax is applicable. And what is standard deduction? So salaried employees and pensioners get 75,000 standard deduction. So under the new regime, example, salary equal to 10 lakhs 75,000, so less standard deduction equal to 75,000, taxable income only 10 lakhs. And what is Section 87 rebate? So this is the most important concept. A rebate reduces tax after tax is collected. So for 2025-26 financial year rebate up to 60,000 available for eligible resident individuals with a taxable income up to 12 lakh under the new regime. So example 1, you can get a better understanding. So taxable income equal to 8,000, tax 4 to 8, so 0 to 4 is nil, so no tax. And 4 to 8 lakh 5% means 4 to 8 difference is 4 lakhs, so that 5% becomes 20,000. So 87A rebate equal to 20 50,000, so final tax will be 0. So like that. And example 2, so taxable income equal to 12 lakhs, tax 0 to 4 is nil, no tax is applicable, and 4 to 8 is difference 4 lakhs only, so that 5% applicable. It means it becomes 20,000. And 8 to 12 lakh, so that is difference also 4 lakh, so that is difference 4 lakh applicable by 10% only, so it becomes 40,000. So total tax 60,000, so 87 rebate equal to 60,000, so final tax equal to 0, so that is also 0. So who are getting salary 12k, so there also no need to pay tax according to the 87 rebate. And why people say 12.75 lakh is a tax free? So example, salary equal to 12.75 lakh, so less standard deduction equal to 75,000, so taxable income equal to 12 lakh, so 87A rebate removes 60,000 tax and final tax will be 0. So that's why people say salary up to 12.75 can result in 0 tax. So under the new regime, and many people ask about what is marginal relief. So many people worry, what if I earn 1 rupee more than 12 lakh, so without marginal relief? So let's take an example for better understanding. And income equal to 12 lakh 1000 rupees, tax could jump sharply, that would be unfair. So example, you take a same example, so income equal to 12 lakh 1000, so extra income above limit 1000 rupees, so marginal relief ensures that the additional tax does not exceed the additional income by unreasonable amount. So that is also not applicable to pay that much, so according to 87 rebate, so no worries. And simple meaning, government says if your income slightly crosses 12 lakh, so we won't suddenly impose a huge tax burden. So that's a marginal relief, we can say. You get a correct point. And now old regime versus new regime. So old regime allows deductions like BOC, not ATC, and PPF, ELSS, life insurance, home loan benefits, ATD, health insurance. And new regime advantages: lower slab rates, simpler calculation, higher rebate. So disadvantages: most deductions not available. So important exception. So many people misunderstand this. The 87A rebate generally does not apply to income tax rate special rates, such as certain capital gains. Example, if you have a salary income equal to 11 lakhs, so special rate capital gains income, the treatment may be different from normal salary income. And what about 1 crore income? So suppose a taxable income is a 1 crore, the person does not get 87A rebate, so tax is collected according to the slabs. Additionally, surcharge applies on higher incomes. Health and education charge 4% is added on tax liability. And final, so let's recap what we discussed in this video. Income tax is paid by individuals, firms, HUFs, and companies. Agriculture income is generally exempt from central income tax. So new tax regime is the default regime, and the standard deduction is 75,000 for salaried employees and pensioners. 87A rebate up to 60,000 applicable, and taxable income up to 12 lakhs can be 0 tax, and salary up to 12.75 lakh can be result in 0 tax after standard deduction. And marginal relief prevents a sudden tax shock when income slightly exceeds 12 lakh. So rebate generally does not apply to certain special rate incomes like some capital gains. And now you understand the complete income tax system for 2025-26 and assessment year 2026-27 in simple language. If this video helped you, subscribe to Keshwa Money Talks and let me know which finance topic you would like next. And you can comment below. If you have any doubts about finance or finance related, you can comment below. Maybe I do based on the comments. And however, thank you so much for watching and Jai Hind.